Hey, come tune into my video. You know you want to show. IMVU is back, and you know we got this crew. Yeah, hit my. Niggas, that bitch in there with the chain, with the watch, with the hat. Hold on, with the jeans on the young nigga. We with jeans on the young nigga. Hold on, with the young nigga stepping. Stop playing with the young nigga. With the yo, what is Chris Tucker talking about?
And she's a dude. I mean, her dating apps is kind of like buying one of those
Michael.
Minutes until my stop comes up. So I'll pull the thingy, but before I get off the bus, and my main man
wash my hands.
We get to the edge of the forest,
wash my hands.
Shitting his pants, trying to hide from his cops, but they keep getting closer.
Wash my hands.
So Bob turns on his flashlight, and both cops look at him. He's right there.
Who is it?
I mean, it's not too late
to buy some candy.
So we all go to the store
I swear I just saw some
packs of candy what it would look
Hey, I hope y'all enjoyed my video today, bro. I did take a little minute to edit this. It might not release May 21st, but